Hello everyone, welcome back my channel. Today I am explaining our contact pages. I am also explaining in previous video feedback page and courses pages and grades pages. I I am explaining today our contact page. Let's start. It's a boilerplate. I think you know explained in previous video also. And we use body. Body is the main part in our page because it's a visible and boilerplate is not visible in our web page. And we use header. Header is a main part and top side of the web page. And inside use h1 tag contact me. It's a contact page and h1 use because it's a main part of our heading tag. And as for get in touch, firstly you can see here what is header. We close our header and here contact and get in touch to connect. It's our contact page. It's a huge, but don't worry, I am explaining our code in this video. And close header. Inside use now tag. Now is a navigation, not denoted by navigation. In now tells browser it's a link and renders the page. Inside use UL for another list. I want to some here link and inside UL we use list and a denoted by anchor tag and use our file name and inside use home because I want to see here our link. When we click link, then moved another page. Okay. And inside view HR for horizontal line. I want to horizontal line to look better in our web page. And again use and inside use main tail browser. It's the main part of our web page. And inside use section because I want to uh, show in code. Section tells browser key is a section part in main in our web page. And he has to contact information and inside use denoted by paragraph. And articles mainly use for when we wrote our facts or everything like article type, poem, poetry, all of things. And inside use S3 for subheading of heading text and paragraph. And inside use strong because he gave a strong tag, some bold line and text bold, primary. And you can see here is primary email is bolding help of strong text. And again use p closing out tag in paragraph. And again close articles and strong again using because it's the main part of our web page. And section close. And I am giving a section. It's a phone section, address section, or email section. Then I use section text. And here you can see again section and UL for another list. And inside use list test. Why contact me? H provide dots. And again use section because I am giving in section page for S2 and articles. From there you can see it's a similar of and inside use a text a denoted by anchor text. I want to some of our links deep theory to work it. Here you can see when we click in our link, then we can you can go again inside page upper side. It's not working, but when we use text, then he working, and not here use link because it's not working, and again use section and articles you can see here, and lastly use at the rate topics entity, and footer we use our footer text, I and body. Thank you so much. I am also explaining our code. It's the last video in our homepage, and totally I am created uh, 6 pages: contact page, home page, and create page, and index.html. It's a home page in our web page. You can see here. Firstly is home page. Here you can see our welcome to the theory student portal. Then profile. Here is my profile, and feedback page. You can see here. And grade I am using for table in this use, and form tag also in previous video I am also explaining, and it's a form page and contact page. Thank you so much in my journey learn to earn hashtag coding.